This is Shravan. This is my reworked demo for PA4, which is callbacks. And the way that I've gone about this is I have now reworked it to use just one voice and different buffers. And what I've done is that I have used I wrapped basically created my own buffer class here that wraps the X-Audio2 buffer. And what I do is I just basically create like a very simple, you can call it a manager, but it's basically just something that owns a singly linked list of these buffers. And so you can see that here, it's nothing, just a head here and an add function that always adds to the front. What I do is in my voice callback, I just use the on buffer end function over here, and this basically submits the next buffer in the list to the source voice. So one voice, different buffers, and we just go right from there. And what I'm doing is when the buffer starts, I just print out the name so you can see, and then when it ends, we switch the buffer. Finally, so in my audio thread, right, so we have a panning function. So now I create all the buffers over here, I add them to the manager in reverse. I have a callback, I have one source voice, and I just submit the first buffer to it. um, and right, so we set the source voice and the current buffer for the callback. And then here's my panning function. So what I do is that while this callback is spinning, I sleep for 10 seconds and then I change the pan. So the way that I'm doing it is just center, right, and then left, and that's how it keeps toggling every 10 seconds. The pan function is right here. So yeah, pretty simple. You enter the pan amount, and based on that, we create and set the output matrix and just do this really ugly X-Audio2 stuff. So yeah, I think that's it. So I'm just gonna demo this for you, and we trigger the demo on the space key. So here you go. Okay, so hopefully that demoed the panning and all the different the stitching and the callbacks and everything else. So I think that's all I have to show for you. And yeah, that's it. So until next time, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye bye.